In this video, we will be discussing the concepts of normally open and normally closed push buttons. We will explain how these buttons work and the differences between them to help you understand their practical applications. If you have not already done so, you should review 2 of our videos: the multimeter explained and a 24-volt DC power supply explained. You can find the links to these videos in the description. Normally open push button indicates with this symbol. Normally closed push button indicates with this symbol. It is normally open push button, meaning the circuit is open. When the button is not pressed, and it closes momentarily when the button is pressed. When the button is released, the circuit opens again. It is normally closed push button, meaning the circuit is closed when the button is not pressed. And it opens momentarily when the button is pressed. When the button is released, the circuit closes again. In this example, the normally open push button is placed in series with the lamp and power supply. If we press the normally open push button, the circuit will be closed, allowing current to flow and turning the lamp on. When we release the push button, the circuit opens and turns off the lamp. In this example, the normally closed push button is placed in series with the lamp and power supply. If we press the normally closed push button, the circuit will open, breaking the current path and turning off the lamp. When we release the push button, the circuit will close and turn on the lamp. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification.